A common issue for Mercedes of this era, frayed and torn cables, and here you see the drive ones that pull up the inner lining. Why? The guides here, here and here direct these cables. First the guide cracks, then the cable breaks. Instead of stock plastic ones, we mill these from aluminum. We paint them black. Looks great. This is how they're installed, and these don't break. Plus we replace all cables, and there's also an electronics issue with sensors. The roof hangs half open, meaning it opens but might randomly not close. We'll change cables and guides, then tackle the sensors. It's clear from this side what happens when cables break. See? The inner sealing gets into the mechanism, breaking and cracking everything. To prevent this, you need to monitor these tabs and proactively replace them if there are any cracks, rather than waiting for them to break and damage the entire mechanism. On this Mercedes C205, the convertible top wasn't working correctly after some repairs were done. It was a minor issue. To find the cause, the first issue was electrical in this area where the wiring harness runs. The wiring was damaged in a previous accident, causing the sensors to work intermittently depending on the position of the cables. The second problem was that the decorative plastic pieces on the ceiling here were torn off. The plastic tabs here are problematic areas. I'll show you now. These tabs, as you can see, are plastic and they break, tearing the cords and causing the entire ceiling to fold incorrectly. We make new tabs by machining them out of aluminum. We mill them so they no longer break and last a long time. We also replace all these cords, as it's a common problem on Mercedes of this era. Now everything works properly and looks as it should on a car like this. So if you have a Mercedes from these years, make sure these ropes and cords stay intact. If they break, the plastic trim can get into the mechanism and damage it. Bring it in if you need help.